So to set up the React, I'm going to download the Node.js. So I open the Node.js website. So in LTS, I'm downloading the Mac OS. You can download whatever the OS you have. So I'm installing now. So the React is actually a npm package. To install the npm package, so I download and install the Node version now. I have downloaded the LTS, and I'm going to the terminal now. So terminal is nothing but a command line prompt which we say in Windows OS. I open the command line prompt and I'm zooming a little bit. And I'm typing npm. Instead of install, we can use the short version like I, and you have to install globally. So -g and then create React app, and you can specify the version number after the with the at symbol after that. So you can specify like that, or if you leave it, it will be taking the latest version of the React. And because of I use Mac, I have to give permission, so I'm adding sudo, and I'm entering the password now. It's installing the create React npm package now. So it has installed 3.4.1. So the next one, I'm going to download the editor. So I prefer Visual Studio for that. So I'm downloading. So here also we can see all the OS, so Windows and the Mac. And in the top, we have the download option. So I'm downloading that. Actually, I have the Visual Code already in my computer. So just for showing people, I'm just downloading here. So I'm opening the Visual Studio Code now. And we need to install so I'm going to install an extension. So this extension is very useful. So throughout our tutorial, we are going to use this a lot. So it says a simple React snippet. Yeah, the first one. So because of I have already installed, it says disable and uninstall. So this one is very useful one. We're going to use that. So thanks for watching. So in the next tutorial, we'll see how we can create a React app, and we'll see like what's the folder structure, everything. Please subscribe my channel and click the bell button.